What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing something completely off the wall. We got Jerry in the driver's seat. Jerry in the driver's seat. Okay. We got a trailer hooked up. We got the Dodge, and we are going to be heading to go buy a car lift for the shop. It should be dope. I'm super excited. This is one of those big bucket list things I've been wanting for a while, so it should be cool. Let's get on the road.
It's money.
It's money. All right, talk to you guys in a second.
I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright. And I'm back again.
You ready? We're rolling. All right, guys, we're almost there. About 5 minutes away. We went ahead, just knocked all the driving out, but we're going to go look at a 2-post car lift for the shop. We're super excited about it. It should be a good deal. It needs a little bit of work, but nothing we can't handle. But we're about to pull in, so we're gonna put the camera away, try to work out a deal with this guy and get it loaded up on the trailer. So hopefully when we talk next, we'll be getting a car lift. Let's do it.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, we just got back to the shop, as you can see behind us, and the trip went rather well. We got the lift. It's on the trailer. That was a nightmare. We'll explain it. We got a lift. We got a lift.
We did it.
We did it. We got a lift. So we'll go through it in a second, but it is a 2-post lift. It's got the bar across the middle. We'll get into it. The real challenging part is going to be getting this in the shop. Jerry's moving his truck out of the way. We've got a lot of cars to move out of the way. We're going to start with 06. Move on to 65, but we're gonna move everything out of the way. The plan is to put the lift in this bay right here, having the controls on the left side. So I'm super excited about this. This should be such an insane upgrade for the shop. I've been looking for one and came across this one. It's gonna be perfect. But let's go ahead, get the car started, get them out of here, and I get to work.
They got a good classic look to them.
Race car. Don't worry about it. Oh yeah. Absolute stud. So we're gonna end up hook the tractor up to it and try to pull it off in here. It's gonna be in this bay. We went with controls on this far side here. So it's gonna be interesting trying to pull it off. We're gonna hook a chain up to it and see what happens. Should be interesting. A little scared, but you guys will see it happen. Okay guys, it is a few days later and we have the lift situated in here. We ended up spinning it around, putting the controls against the wall just to give us some more room to walk right here, because walking through here it'd be real tight, especially with the truck here. You have to kind of duck to the side, and I really didn't like it. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and drill and bolt the thing to the floor. So we're gonna have to take the hammer drill some holes through here with a 1/2-inch bit, and then bolt down with these concrete ties. We'll get that situated, and then next week at some point, the electrician's coming in to wire this thing up, but we'll worry about that in another video. Right now, I wanna get this thing bolted down, so let's go ahead and get to it, put you guys on time lapse, and get to drilling. All right, we just wrapped up bolting this thing down to the floor, and it actually went a lot better than I thought it was going to, and it is really solid right now. It is not going anywhere, and I'm really happy about where it's sitting at. So you got plenty of room. The idea, I moved it up a hair just so we'd be able to have a car in here and lift it up and have a car in front, just in case that situation arises. So I think it's in a really good spot. We put the controls against the wall. I know that's not the best idea, like I said, but I like being able to walk right here and not have to worry about hitting my head, because I've knocked it about twice now, and it was really getting on my nerves. We're not gonna fire this thing up in this video, but because we have to rewire, I'll show you. So this thing came with an old light switch, and it's a little janky, and yeah, we're gonna redo all of that. I don't like any of that, and I still want to, I think I am gonna repaint it, but let me know what you guys think in the comments, like I said. But guys, next video we should be taking this car for a test drive with the new clutch, so that should be fantastic. Get a couple buddies to ride around. It'll be fun, and then after that we'll be working with we'll be doing some stuff with the lift, lifting cars up. I have not forgotten about the 06 Mustang. She is sitting out there. Due to a bunch of technical difficulties, I filmed like 3 videos with that car, putting the new hood on, going on a test drive. I drove it to work for a couple days, and all the footage got corrupted, so that is just so frustrating. So I'm gonna do a little sit down, explain everything that's going on in the next couple videos. So that car is not dead, it's very far from it. It's actually running really good, and that thing is quick, very quick. So you guys will see all that soon, but anyway, love you guys a ton. Talk to you guys in the next episode where we will be doing something sick. Don't know what it is, but you'll see. All right, talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Goodbye.